Welcome to the TValue Online video training series. In this video, we will demonstrate how to structure and calculate the payments for a variable rate loan. The assumptions that we'll use for this calculation will be that we have a $250,000 loan amortized over 30 years at 5%. But then after 2 years, that rate bumps up to 5.5%. After another 2 years, it bumps up to 6%. And then after a total of 120 payments or 10 years, we will calculate what the balloon payment will be. So let's see what our payments will be using TValue Online. On the TValue Online document, we will select our compounding period first. We'll leave that as monthly. Our rate, we will type in 5 for 5%. The variable rate loan we entered in there. We're starting off with a loan event, and we'll use September 1st as our start date for that loan. And we said it was a $250,000 loan. We have one of those. And we'll start with payments a month later that we will calculate and fully amortize that initially over that 30 years or 360 payments. If we calculate, we can see that our initial payment fully amortized over the 30 years is $1,342.05. And then working chronologically, we'll say after 24 months, however, we're going to have a rate change. So we'll say 24 months, come down to line 3, and we'll use a rate change event for our event name. The date will be adjusted. TValue adjusts the date for you, and we said this will bump up to 5.5%. And we'll come down and enter in our remaining payments that we will solve for. So we'll type U for unknown. We will have 336 payments. It was amortized over that full term. When you're doing this, click on calculate. We can see there's our payment amount that's bumped up a bit. But once again, working chronologically, we'll say after 24 months again, we're going to have a rate change. So our event will be a rate change on line 5. We're going to again solve for we'll enter in our rate change amount, at 6%. Then we will solve for that payment amount over the remaining term of the note, which will now be 312 payments to give us the total of 360. Now when we calculate, we can see there's our payment amount once again. And we said we're going to balloon this at 120 payments. So we will change this to 71 payments. Go ahead and use that payment there. Unknown for the payment amount, or use that payment date. Unknown when we calculate, and that's on the end, our balloon payment on the anniversary date of the loan. There's a $209,101. If we look at the amortization of this, what we'll see is at the top of our schedule, we'll see there's the information for our note. If we scroll through, here's our initial payment of $1,342. Our first rate change of 5.5% bumps our payment amount. Our second rate change at 6 bumps the payment amount again. And then if we scroll to the bottom, we see there's our balloon payment of the $209,101. That's as easy as it is to do in TValue Online. Of course, you could have as many rate changes as you needed. If you ever have any questions for us as to how we can help you get the most from your TValue Online software, never hesitate to contact us at either info@timevalue.com or 800-426-4741. Thank you very much.